I thought this was the present.
It's inside the box.
Just open the present.
Is there a box inside the box?
That's what I said she should have done.
These. Next. Something. Beans?
No.
Not no beans.
Beans.
Now I'm getting scared. Okay, blueberries.
Think she's ignoring.
Should have seen what she did to me on my birthday, my 50th birthday.
Oh, that was amazing.
It was fun. Currency. Beeps. Okay, we're getting there. You are a very strange young lady. What?
Those are cool pictures.
Very cool. Very strange, but very cool. I'm waiting.
Big.
Time to fig. Okay, we've got a bunch of gardening stuff.
Olive was upstairs.
No.
Limes.
Mozart rested.
I don't remember there being that many.
And last but not least, in the blue,